So students, let us solve practice set 14. First sum are MCQs. Choose the right option. HCF. Choose the right option. The HCF of 120 and 150 is 4 options are given. So here it is very simple. You have to find out HCF of both the numbers. So that's why I've left here some space to find out the factors. So 120, you have to write down 2, 6 are 12, 0, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 1s are 2, and 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. And write down for 150 also. So 150, if you see, it comes in 3's table. 3 5s are 15 and 0 as it is. Now 50 comes in 5's table. 5 1s are 5 and 0. 5 2s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, so you have to find out for HCF, you have to find out the common numbers. So here 2, 1 is there too. You have to write, if you want to write down horizontally, you can write down horizontally also. So I'll just highlight the common numbers which are there. For HCF, we underline the common numbers. So 2, 1 is there over here and 1 is there. Other 2 will not be repeated over here, so we cannot underline. Now check for 3. 3, 1 is there in this number also and 1 is there in this number also. And 5 is also 1 is there in this number and 1 is there in other number. So the common numbers are 2 into 3 into 5. So HCF will be equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So the correct answer is 30. Now the second question is the HCF of this pair of numbers is not 1. Okay, so this thing, students, you have to understand, when it is given not 1, you should see that not 1, otherwise you will make a mistake and find out the HCF which is the number 1. It should not be 1. So 13 and 17, if you see, 13 is also a prime number and 17 is also a prime number. So 13 comes in itself table, 13 1s are 13. And 17 also comes in itself table, 17 1s are 17. So here the common factor, that is HCF, will be 1. So we don't want this number, right? Because here the HCF is 1. We have to find out where the HCF is not 1. So this number get cancelled. Now here if you check 14 and 15. 14 and 15 are two consecutive numbers. Consecutive means what? After 14, immediately 15 comes. That means they are back to back. Consecutive means back to back. Whenever two numbers are back to back, that means consecutive. That means they are co-prime numbers. If you remember properly, when you take consecutive numbers like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, like that, 14, 15 is also consecutive numbers and both numbers are co-prime numbers. Now co-prime numbers means what? They have only 1 as the common factor. So here also 14 and 15, if you want to find out the factors by vertical method, you can still find out and see. So 14 if you find out, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. And 15 if you find out, 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Here also you can see not even single number is common. 14 is what? 2 into 7 and 15 is what? 5 into 3. So for HCF we want at least one number common. When there is no number common, the HCF is 1. So here also this number also get cancelled. Okay. Now let us check for 29 and 20. Okay. So 29 and 20, if you want to check, 29 is a prime number and prime number comes in itself table only. So 29 1s are 29 and 20 comes in 2's table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now 20, here also there is no one common factor which is common in both the tables, both the numbers 29 and 20. So here also the common factor HCF will be 1. So this also get cancelled. So what will be the answer? It is 40 and 20. So the remaining answer will be 40 and 20. And if you check also, if you find out HCF, 2 2s are 4 0, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. And for 20 also, if you find out, 2 10s are, 2 5s are and 5 1s are. Now if you can see here, 2 2 is repeated and 5 also repeated. So when you have common numbers, you will get HCF as which numbers are repeated? 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So HCF will be 20. So here the HCF is not 1. So that's why this is the answer. Okay. Now let us solve next sum. Find the HCF and LCM. Now these all sums you have already studied, but still we are going to solve. So with the sums which I am not going to solve over here, that will be for homework for you. So to find out HCF and LCM, you have to first find out the factors. 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So 14 factors you write down horizontally, 2 into 7, this. And 28 also you find out the factors. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. 28 also factors you write down, 2 into 2 into 7. Now HCF, if you have to find out, HCF will be what? You have to find out the common numbers. 2 is common over here also. 7 is common over here and here also. So 2 into 7 is HCF. 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now LCM, if you find out, LCM is what? You have to find out the factors which are repeated maximum number of times. So here 2 is repeated 2 times. So we'll take that, 2 into 2. And 7, if you see, here also it is 1 time, here also it is 1 time. So I will take only 1 time. And now I'll multiply. 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are, that means 7 4s are 28. So 28 is the LCM. So first sum is done. Second sum let us do quickly. 32. 2, it comes in 2 stable. 2 1s are 2. Out of 3, if we take 2, 1 will remain. So now the remaining numbers will be 1 and 2 12. And 12 comes in 2 stable. 2 6 are 12. Now 16 also comes in 2 stable. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. And 2 2s are 4. And 16 also, here 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. Finally here I have not written. 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now horizontally I will write down 32 is equal to, how many times 2 are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And 16, 4 2s are there. So definitely HCF will be what? Common 2s. So here there are 4 common 2s. So that I will write down. So here 4 2s multiply, what we get? 16 answer. And LCM will be what? Maximum number of times wherever 2 is repeated. So here they are repeated 5 number of times. So LCM will be that 2 multiply, when they multiply by 5 times. So it is 32. 2 multiplied by 5 times, we get answer 32. Next sum quickly I am going to solve. These sums all are easy and you all have already studied. That's why I am doing it very quickly. So the numbers are 17, 102 and 170. So first I'll start with 17. Now 17 is prime number, yes or no? So I'll write down 17 1s are 17. Now I'll try for 102. Now 102 will come in 2 stable because unit place it is 2. So 2, first we'll take 10. 2 5s are 10. Then we'll take 2. 2 1s are 2. Now 51, let us check, it will not come in 2 stable, but let us check it will come in 3 stable or no. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 comes in 3 stable, so definitely 51 will also come in 3 stable. So 3 1s are 3. From 5, if we remove 3, 2 will remain. 2 will carry forward further. So 21. So 3 7s are 21. And 17 is a prime number. So that's why 17 1s are 7. Now we'll do it for 170. Now 170, because unit place it is 0, it will come in 2 stable. First we'll take 17. 17 does not come, but 16 comes. So 2 8s are 16. From 17, if we take 16, 1 will remain. 1 will pass it on further, and 10 will be remaining number. So 2 5s are 10. Now 85 will directly take 5. 5 1s are 5. From 8, if we remove 5, 8. If we remove 5, 3 will remain and 35 will remain now. So 7s are 35 and 17 is a prime number, so 17 ones are 17. 17 ones are, so only 17 you write down, we do not write down into 1 because 17 ones are is 17 only. 102 also write down 2 into 3 into 17, and 170 also you write down 2 into 5 into 17. Now find out HCF. Which is the common number in all the three numbers? 17 is the common number, so HCF will be only 17, and LCM will be what? First check for 2. 2 is maximum number of times where it is repeated. Here one time, here one time only, so just write down one time. Now check for 3. 3 one time here, and here both the places it is not there, just write down one time. Now check for 5. 5 only one time is there, and 17 also one time. Now multiply all the numbers. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, and 30 into 17 you have to do. 30 into 17. So multiplying 30 into 17, just multiply 17 into 3 and 0 will add later. So 17 into 3 I'll do it over here. 7 3s are 21, 2 carry. 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 51. So write down 51, and this 0 which we had left out, write down at the end. So LCM will be 510. Next question, you have to only find out LCM. Okay, not HCF. So first I'll take 36. Again we have to, everywhere we have to use this vertical arrangement and find out the factors. That is there only. So 2 1s are 2. Out of 3 if we take 2, 1 will remain. So the remaining numbers will be 1 and 6, 16. So 2 8s are 16. Now 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. 42 also comes in 2's table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now 21 will come in 3's table. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. Now LCM will be, for LCM first write down vertically 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 42 you write down 2 into 3 into 7. Now LCM will be what? 2 here it is repeated maximum number of times. So I'll write down that. 3 here also 2 number of times. And 7, here it is not there but here it is there one time. Write down that. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are, you do it. 12 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 36. And 36 7s are you have to do finally. Now 7 6 are 7 5 are 35. 7 6 are 42. 4 carry. Now 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25. So 252 is the LCM. Okay. Now another sum, directly fifth one I am going to do it. So I'll first find out the factors. 24. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now this was for 24. Now I'll find out for 40. I'll write down 24 factors first. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now find out for 40. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So write down 40 also here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Write down 80 also. 2 4s are 8, 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So 80 also we can write down 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. And finally 120. 2 6 are 12 and 0 as it is. 2 3s are 6 and 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2. Okay, from 3 if we take 2, 1 will remain, which will carry forward. So 1 0 10 is now remaining. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so write down 120 factors also. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now LCM will be equal to what? First check where 2 is repeated maximum number of times. Here it is repeated 3 number of times. Here also 3. Here it is 4 and here again 3. So we'll take 4 2s. Now check for 3. 1 time 0 0 1 time. So write down 1 time. Now check for 5. 0 1 time 1 time 1 time. So write down 1 time. Sorry. Now multiply all the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are you do. 16 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4, and 48 5s are finally you have to do. 48 into 5. 8 5s are 44 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 is 24. So LCM will be equal to 240. Okay, now the next sum which is there that we have already studied in the examples. Okay, find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives remainder 5 every time. Okay, so you have to find out a number which is first divisible by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20, and then we have to add remainder 5 to it. Okay, so let us find out that. So what we have to do, we have to find out the LCM. So first for 8 I'll find out the factors. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 8 I can write down 2 into 2 into 2. Now for 9 I'll write down 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 9 will be equal to what? 3 into 3. Now 10 also I will find out the factors. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So 10 will be equal to what? 2 into 5. I will find out for 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So 15 will be equal to 3 into 5 and final number is 20. So 2 1s are 2 0. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So 20 also will be equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Now to find out LCM, we have to find out 2 where it is repeated maximum number of time, and definitely it is number 8. It is repeated 3 times. So write down 3 times. Now check for 3. Here it is 2 times. Here it is 1 time. So take 2 times. Now check for 5. 5 here it is 1 time. Everywhere it is 1 time. So just take 1 time. Now multiply everything. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are you do. Okay, so 24 3s are 4 3s are 12. 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 7. And 72 into 5. 5 2s are 10 1. 7 5s are 35 36. 360. So LCM is 360. But what do we want? We want remainder as 5. So that number 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 will be equal to 360 plus 5. So the answer will be 365. Okay, because we want remainder as 5, so we have to add 5 to this number. This we have already done, which is very simple. You can understand it very easily. Okay. Now next sum. So next sum you have to do here is reduce the fraction. Now reduce the fraction means what? This division you have to make it into simplest form. Now to do it into simplest form, we have to do the division. So which division we are going to use, which we have studied in HCF and LCM. Okay, so first you have to select which number is smaller. So definitely 319 is smaller, so I'll write down 319 over here and 348 over here. Now in 319 table, definitely I'll make here rough work. Now 319 table, we have to see whether 348 comes or no. So 319 ones are 319, twos are we'll find out. 9 twos are 18, 1 carry, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 twos are 6. Now 638 is very greater than 348. So we have to definitely take 319 ones are 319. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 9 we cannot do, so we have to borrow from the other number. So 4 will cut over here, write down 3, and 8 will become 18. 18 minus 9 is what? 9 only. 3 minus 1 here now will be 2. 3 minus 3 0. Now 29 is smaller than 319. So we'll make it as a divisor and 319 will be divided. Now check in 29's table 319 comes or no. Now here students, you have to apply your common sense. Now 29 table whole you can't write down. 29 ones are 29 we know. So 29 twos are, 29 threes are. Instead of that, you have to apply your mind. 29 tens are is what? 29 tens are 290 definitely, which is still smaller than 319. So don't keep waste your time in writing down a whole table of 29. 29 twos are, 29 threes are. Don't sit and start multiplying everything. Okay, because your 29 tens are also it is less than 319. So directly what we'll find out? 29 tens are we know 290, which is less than 319. So we'll find out 29 11s are. So 9 ones are 9, 2 ones are 2, 0, 9 ones are 9 again, and 2 ones are 2. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 2 is what? 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get answer 319. So 29 11s are 319. Do the subtraction, we'll get answer 0. Now this answer 29 will be HCF. But one more thing which we know about this number is what? 29 is divisible by 348 and 319 also. So in 29's table 348 also comes and 319 also comes. 348 upon 390. So we have to find out where exactly does it come. So write down 348 here first, and in 29's table we have to find out. So first take 34. So 29 ones are 29 and 29 twos are what is there, that we'll find out. I'll write down over here. 29 twos are 9 twos are 18, 1 2 twos are 4 5 58. So 58 we definitely can't take, which is greater than 34. So we'll take 29 ones are 29. Now 34 minus 29 you do and see. So from 29 count till 34. 34. So after 29 what comes? 30. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 5. So 5 will carry forward to another number. So which two numbers will be left? 5, which we have got, and 8, 58. And 58 does come in the 29's table. Right now we found out 29 twos are. So 29 twos are 58. So 348 comes in 29's table. 29 12s are 348. That was about 348. Now find out for 319. Now 31 definitely does not come in 29's table, but we can take 29 ones are 29. So 29 from 31, if we take 29, how much will be remaining? So after 29 count till 31. After 29 what comes? 30, 30, 31, 2. So 2 will carry forward to next number. So 2 is there and 9 is there. So 29 will be remaining. So 29 ones are 29. So 319. So 29 11s are 390. So in place of 348, write down 29 into 12. And in place of 319, write down 29 into 11. 29 will get cancelled and we'll get 12 upon 11 as the simplest form. Okay, so this is the answer, 12 upon 11. Now the next sum is very easy. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72. That means LCM is 432 and HCF is 72. if one of the numbers is through 216, what is the other number? So this formula we have already solved. So product, what is the formula? Product of two numbers will be equal to LCM into HCF. So product of two numbers, one of the number is 216. Other number will take it as A. Okay. LCM we have answer as 432 and HCF is 72. Now you keep A on this side and 216 you take it on other side. 432 write down over here, multiply by 72. Here it was multiplied, here it will be divided. Now if you see properly, in 216 table 432 comes. You can multiply 216 into 2. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, 432. So what you can do, 216 1s are 216 and 216 2s are 432. Because 216 2s is 432. Okay. So the finally what we will get, which numbers will be left? 2 into 72 upon 1. If you write down also it is fine, if you don't write down also it is fine, because upon 1 is considered, we can neglect also. So now multiply 2 into 72. So 72 into 2 you do. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So the answer is 144. So the other number is 144. So here it is asked what is the other number. So write down other number is 144. This was very easy. Now let us solve the next sum.